Hi, it's Mary Beth Shaw. Welcome to my vlog for September. I am happy because I'm here at my happy place, Ephemera Paducah. It feels amazing to be out in the world, in the real world. I signed up for a class with Ray Missigman so long ago I can't even remember. Today's the first day of class and I am just stoked about doing this. Just stoked. Here comes,
beautiful in the morning
here
light.
comes our lovely proprietor,
Hi.
Kristen Williams.
Are we on video?
We are.
How
This is my
exciting.
vlog. I'm talking about my happy place and being back in my happy place. And I got coffee at my happy place.
Oh, some good
called
coffee.
Etc. right down there.
It's so good. There's Melanie.
And I'm staying at an adorable little bed and breakfast with one of my happy people, Mary Nasser, who's filming this. So,
Happy,
so
happy,
my
happy.
message for this month is find your happy place and get back to it. And try to bring a little bit more normal back into your life because it feels
Word.
freaking amazing.
Word. Normal.
So,
Normal. Yes.
Normal. So thank you so much for following me on the vlog and for taking a minute to listen today.